How to convert xlxs to CSV file. So to convert it, you have several methods available depending on your preferences and tool at hand. So let me show you. This is Excel sheet. Right, launch your Microsoft Excel and open the XLS file here you want to convert. Now here, for example, let's say I will just write here something, right, and I will just go and click on save. Right, I will save it on the desktop, right, and let's say I will save it in a document here. I will name it book one and just let's go and let me save in the downloads and just go and click on OK. Right, now here choose a location which we have already did. Now select CSV format. In the save as, whenever you just go to the save as option here, right, usually you will find a one issue, which is in the save as you won't be able to see an option to change your file format to CSV. We can see in the export section. Now go to the change file type, and here you will get this option of CSV. Right now here, make sure you just select the CSV and then just go and click on save on, and then just save as. Here you can see save as type, right, and there's another method, right, you can just go and click on save. For example, you're just going and click on save as and you don't want to follow this export method here, right, I will select here, for example, documents, right, and here I can just go and click on CSV, and then I can just change as a save type and then click on save. So this is another way to do it. Thanks for watching this video.